Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin now, pick black and white material and a round base to anchor shape. Form two spheres, one slightly larger for the body and one for the head, press them together firmly so they bond. Once done, smooth seams and make sure the proportions match the sketch. Head 1, body 1.5. Use short, decisive presses to avoid air pockets. This sets the foundation. Keep tools handy. You will need scissors and glue next, so don't interrupt the flow. Now you build the character. Attach 4 limbs with even spacing, 2 arms and 2 legs, pressing each joint until secure. Next, cut small ovals for eye patches, round ears, and a triangular nose. Place them to create expression, because placement changes personality. Once they sit correctly, blend edges so transitions read as fur rather than separate pieces. As you work, rotate the model and check silhouette. This helps you spot imbalance. Make small adjustments immediately. They're easier now than later. Finish by bringing the panda to life. Paint small pupils, add paw pads, and apply soft shading to suggest fur depth. Once satisfied, seal with a clear varnish or fabric fixative and let it cure for 24 hours so everything sets. If a limb or patch sags, don't panic. Reinforce internally with a toothpick or wire and add a thin bead of adhesive to the joint. This restores strength without ruining the surface. Finally, inspect from all angles and make micro adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.